what's up, Nala? ግማሽ ብቻ በቃ ሳንሳ ወደዚህ መምጣት አለብህ። እየገፋ ነው እዚህ ጋር ይሄኛው እዚህ ጋር ያዝ ይችላል።
ይሄዳል አለ
ያዝ ምኑን እየቀረጸ ነው። So today is concrete, it's gonna be filled with concrete. I just want to show you guys about this FastFoot. I'm really impressed with it. I think every footing should be done with FastFoot. Very, very strong. You can see how much concrete is holding. This is about 3 feet deep and it's holding. The concrete pump guy, he has many years of experience. He said he didn't think it was going to hold. And it's amazing that it's holding. Huh?
Come.
What? Here's my brother helping me out.
We building a house for Keros.
Yes. Gosh, YouTube better for me. So now I have this one also set up here, and we're hoping it's going to hold. Huh? We're hoping it's going to hold. All right. Same with this. This is also set up. So this is a big test for FastFoot. I put a bunch of lumber there to hold it. Not much bunch of lumber, which I'm gonna put in a second. But the big one that I'm impressed about is this one in the middle. It's holding lots of concrete, and that's because of the FastFoot. Otherwise, for sure it will blow. Okay, and that corner, same thing. No issues so far. It's holding. No issues so far. It's halfway through. And hopefully everything will be okay. I just want to show you after concrete is poured into my footing, what the footing looks like. And I want to talk about my progress so far. I had to do many things to get to this point, including pouring a temporary concrete for my driveway so a pump truck can come up, and I had to fill up this area so a pump truck can stand here. Eventually I was able to pour concrete. But today I want to talk about this material. It's called FastFoot, by a company in Vancouver, FabForm. And I just want to point out how amazing this material is. As you can see here, this is a step footing, and this corner here was about 3 feet deep, and the force that's coming from the step footing from that side over there, the force that's coming and applying to this corner is very, very heavy. And the concrete guy who's going to pour concrete for me said that this thing for sure is going to blow. He actually bet that is going to blow. But because I use this FastFoot, all this force held. And you can see here, I just stripped it yesterday. Today is actually my birthday, September 12th, 2019. And this is parts of the footing that I stripped so far. The one mistake I made was leaving these 2x4 in there, and there's going to be a ton of work for me to remove. So I know that's going to be a lot of work to remove, but I was able to strip all this lumber fairly easily, and I'm slowly progressing, but surely I'll have an ICF wall at some point. Okay, I want to show you also same thing again about this FastFoot fabric. This is about 1.5 feet over here. This is where the post will stand, and you can see here it drops more than 2 feet over there. And this fabric, FastFoot, like I said, the concrete guy, when he came and looked at it, he said, I have 20 years of experience, I never seen this material, I guarantee you it's gonna blow, it's not gonna hold. And I told him, don't worry about it. And then it didn't blow, it held, amazingly it held. And I didn't put too much lumber. And I feel like I should have used FastFoot for the whole entire project. And all those holes that you see there, those holes there where there is a plywood, I should have used FastFoot. I should have used over there 2x4 and FastFoot. I would have saved a ton of money. This material is not expensive. It's, I hope they keep the price the same way. For $300, I was able to cover three in that area there, about almost 3 feet deep, and I used it in that corner about 3 feet deep. And then for these 5x5 and 4x4, 4 of them, and I had a lot left, and maybe another $300 would have covered for the entire footing. But this project, the lumber cost me a ton of money, I don't want to say it, but a ton of money cost me, the lumber. So I would have saved a lot of money by not using lumber, and it would have been 10 times easier to remove. Now it's a lot of work to remove, so I just want to show you a comparison. So also I want to point out on that corner there, we didn't use any bracing, so we barely use any bracing. And if it wasn't for the FastFoot fabric there, this corner would definitely blow. This is the maximum pressure, where the maximum pressure is, and this is the maximum amount of concrete is. And this product held. It did what it said it would do, what the manufacturer said it would do, and I'm very impressed. And same thing here. The concrete guy said, you didn't brace it over here. Okay, this looks the same on the other side. He said, you didn't brace it. I told him, don't worry about it, because I put FastFoot in there, it would hold. And just like I said, it did. I was very doubtful, but I was proven wrong. And it did an amazing job. I'm very impressed about FastFoot, and I should have used this product. That's what I wanted to show you. As you can see, this is my driveway there, where the car is going to be my my daughter is sitting in there. Where the car is going to be the garage, and this is what it's going to look like so far. I just ordered MVic product. I will make a video on MVic and why I'm choosing MVic out of all the ICFs out there. So please follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow my journey as I'm building this house. I'll expect it would take a year, more than a year and a half in total. Okay, thank you so much. This is what the footing looks like. There's 1, 2, 3 steps over there, and there's 2 steps over there in that corner. I will be building the retaining wall very soon. After the retaining wall, the company will come and fill this whole entire area so it becomes level with the top of the footing. This is the highest point of the footing, and then eventually it will be a retaining wall over there too. Eventually, after the retaining wall is done, it will go up. Hopefully before winter hits, I plan to finish to the roof by end of November. Thank you. Bye bye.